The Roman Pantheon sets a precedent in architectural importance and is the most well-preserved ancient Roman structure in the world. Located in the Campus Museum in Rome, the Pantheon was first built in 27 BC as a rectangular temple by Agrippa. The temple was tragically destroyed by fires in 80 AD, so Emperor Hadrian had it rebuilt in 125 AD, which is a building that still stands impeccably preserved today. In ancient Rome, the Pantheon had a strong influence on Roman public life, as it was raised on a podium approached up by marble steps inside a dense area of the city. It was surrounded by various other buildings, which accounts for the drama created by the podium and forecourt for the rectangular portico in front of the temple. The buildings are thought to have disguised the somewhat awkward transition between the two elements. The thoughtful positioning of the Pantheon inside the city achieved the preservation of Roman tradition and emphasized the strength of the entrance into the Pantheon. From the outside, the rectangular portico with 8 monolithic granite columns with Corinthian marble capitals across the front resembles a Greek design and alluded to the concept that the interior was a secret, privileged space through its dimly lit area of the 16 columns that lined the entrance into the Pantheon. The two contrasting geometric elements of the Pantheon between the rectangular porch and round rotunda build an idea of collision between the two parts. The transition ultimately dramatizes the rotunda, as it is an unexpected feature from the narrow porch. The floor plan and cross-section display the hierarchy of the rotunda in relation to the porch, which defines the Pantheon as a strong structure. Upon entering the Pantheon, there is a perfect harmony in elements of the temple that express a monumental tranquility and simplicity, as the overall height is exactly equal to the diameter of the Pantheon dome. The invention of concrete made the construction of the 5 concentric circles of the dome possible. There are 28 coffers in each row of the dome and decrease in size as they move up to the center of the dome, which increases the intensity of the form. This visual tension is released by the oculus, as it seems to have removed an expected keystone to the dome. The coffers were once ornamented with gilded bronze rosettes that caught and reflected the entering light. The oculus lights the space and emphasizes the ornamentation of the interior. From the exterior to the interior, the Pantheon has truly withstood the test of time, which supports its lasting significance to the city of Rome and represents the beauty and perfection that the Romans achieved in their architecture. Even as the world passes by the Pantheon daily, there is still an unprecedented amount of honor and respect for the Pantheon as architects still stand in wonder of its timeless structure.